Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to write the Celsius symbol in Excel. First, navigate to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Symbols group and click on Symbol. A dialog box will appear. From the Font drop-down, select Normal Text, and for the subset, choose Latin 1 Supplement. Scroll down to find the degree symbol, click on it, and then press Insert to place it into your cell. This is a straightforward way to add the symbol. Another quick method involves using a keyboard shortcut. Make sure your numlock is engaged on your keyboard's numeric keypad. Then, press and hold the Alt key. While holding Alt, type the numbers 0, 1, 7, 6 on the numeric keypad. Once you release the Alt key, the degree symbol will appear immediately in your selected cell. This is a very efficient way to insert the symbol without navigating menus. For a more visual approach, you can use the Windows Character Map. Search for Character Map in your Windows Start menu and open the application. Choose a common font like Arial or Times New Roman from the drop-down list. Scroll through the characters until you find the degree symbol. Select it, then click the Copy button. Now, simply paste it directly into your Excel cell. This method is helpful if you prefer a visual selection. Once you have the degree symbol, you can combine it with numbers. For example, type 25, then insert the degree symbol, followed by C for Celsius. For automatic formatting, select your cells, right-click and choose Format Cells. Under Custom, type 0, followed by the degree symbol, and C in the Type box. This will automatically display your numbers with the Celsius symbol, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your spreadsheet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.